and then I'll go for the triangle. So I'm just tricking them. If I do take this color, sometimes I'll get a sleeve grip or an arm or something, and the arm bar looks like this, 1, 2, and I'll pull this over. That sometimes is a good setup, or a setup a lot of people have seen. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get the collar grip, okay? And I'm gonna put my leg on the hip, and I'm just gonna turn, but I'm gonna turn without pinching my knee, which urges him to move his arm. You see what I mean? So I'm here. And then I'll go for the triangle. So I'm just tricking him. So I'm just going, just here, if his arm's on top, I go like this. Instead of doing this, I go like this, like I messed up. And I come through, grab foot that comes over.